Fragile.
It must be Italian.
Welcome to the channel if you've never been here before. Welcome back if you have. Today is the best day of the week. It's new truck day. What I received today for your viewing pleasure is a Facebook find. I was looking at a truck and then I saw another truck and this guy had it, and then people. So I made sure that this dude was good with my other dude, and then the other guy sent me this other guy. And so I have this. I could describe this truck to you and you would be like, yeah. And then I'm going to show it to you and you're going to be like, oh, at least in the pictures I got. It needs a lot of work, but the foundation was pretty good and the price was killer. Let's just say that. It's killer. So let's get into it. I'll show you what I got. I'll tell you how this is going to go down. Yeah. Hope there's nothing in there that's important. Oh, sick. So, as packing material, I got John Deere bags. There's some more John Deere bags. Oh, I see it. Oh, I see it. Oh, God. It's worse in person. Get some paper out of the way. If I got to give this dude anything, this is well packed. That is for sure. What is this? Oh, that's what that is. Okay. Wow. That's something right there. I'll tell you what. I just made all those in that box. I don't know how I did that, but so this beautiful thing in front of you is a mess for one, but a custom stretched square body Blazer that had a rear. Let's see, what is this? So it had another body grafted on. I can definitely see where it's done. So this is where I will go in and fix all that. The hood doesn't have any hinges, so it is missing the interior. But in all honesty, like I said, I did get this pretty cheap, especially seeing what he paid for shipping. So it's not that bad. I don't know how this. Oh, that opens, and the tailgate. No, the tailgate doesn't open. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna take this all in for a second. Let's see, got the mirrors that are glued in. That's cool. The glass isn't clear. It's like got something on it. I don't know. The rear passenger, or the rear door windows, I guess, are heavily blacked out to look like tint. The wing windows are also tinted really heavy. I hope I can get that off without breaking these pillars. Let's see exactly what we got going on. I haven't even seen that side. You're the only one that's seen that side. I'm going to show you this side. So let's spin this around. God, this is huge. Yep, looks just as bad over here. Okay. Yeah, it's not beautiful. I do like this camper shell though. Like that's, in all being 100% honest, like this thing's actually pretty nice. It has a cool contour, so it like starts kind of sharp and then fades out. I mean, I don't know if that was on purpose. It might be on both sides. I'm not sure, but I do like it. Oh, this is coming apart. All right, that's cool. Let's see, how do we? Oh, it's not even. This is just like hot glued on. Yeah. That's what the hell? Oh, okay, that's the thing. There you go. I want to get this off because I want to see inside. That's what I told your mom. There we go. So the topper is pretty rad. It is a Blazer that has had another Blazer cap put onto it. The rear window is held in by body clips. So that's an interesting feature. The one thing that I really did like about this truck, and it's not many things other than the price and the fact that it was a square body. It's already crew cabbed, which anything that's wrong with this I think I can fix. The door seam is a little messed up. I don't know what the hell this is, like this chunk of just shit right there. They actually did the one thing correct that most people mess up, and they added an extra section of bed in the rear behind the wheel wells. It may be a little long, but it's actually pretty close. We also have the notch cover here that's not perfect, but it is we can fix it. I'll knock it out of there. Yeah, because see, it still has the wheel wells and stuff. So I can knock this out, redo that, and then take all the wheel wells out and everything and just have it be bedsides, because I do have a plan for this. It'll probably stay mostly like you see it, other than I'll fix all the bodywork, and this glitter, I mean, this is like glitter, rough green. That's all gotta go. It reminds me of Christmas wrapping paper, which is very fitting because it's 2 weeks before Christmas right now. One of the cool things is this grill is 3D printed. This is the 10 fin grill is literally what it's called on Colts, and it sits in there. It replaces the normal square body grill, which I really like, mostly because I have so many now that you can't really have them all have the same grill, which is why this one now has a GMC grill. This one is getting one of the custom grills that RC 4-wheel drive has. I've got the other custom grill that's going to go in probably the green K5, and then I'm just trying to mix it up a little bit. I don't want everything to look the same. So this grill somehow goes in there. I don't know. It doesn't fit very well. That's there. So the roof, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but you can kind of see the general shape of the roof is interesting, to say the least. And you know, it's ugly. The tailgate is, oh, there we go. Luckily everything seems to be put together with shoe goo that doesn't need to stay. Like, hopefully structurally this is set, but I could be wrong, who knows. Oh, there we go. Tailgate's off, and so this is some sort of like hot glue or goop. I don't know what the hell this is. This is a new project. I sold a few things of my own, and this is one of the things I picked up to replace it. And someone said this is an HSP Flying Fish, which is about the dumbest name for a touring car I think I've ever heard. But it looks well done. I mean, it's why they painted it, I don't know. I'm not sure. Everything's painted like this industrial gray, but it looks straight, like everything down through here, other than this is a little wider, but it looks, I mean, it's actually pretty rigid. I mean, it flexes a little just because it will, but it's actually done decently well. I don't know that I would have done it like this, but it's okay. It's static. It needs harder front springs, because as soon as you put this thing on, the front just jams into the ground. But I kind of like it, in all honesty. I thought I would maybe change it, but seeing it in person, I think the gray paint just kills the whole thing. I may see if I can strip this all, or maybe I'll just paint everything black. But I can't wait to get it running. It will stay static. I'm not throwing hydraulics on it or anything like that. I don't know if I'm going to keep the camper, but I do think it's kind of cool. Got that door hinge grill. Well, this is my new turd. Figure out a name for it. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know what we'll do. It may stay. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It is a truck. Okay. If you've enjoyed what you've seen, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, etc., etc. Join me on Mondays with Doug and Jordan, one or the other, or both, at 7:00 p.m. Eastern time, whatever time that is for you, wherever you're at. And make sure to check me out on Facebook group, Facebook page, and Instagram, Bullman Built RC, across the board. And I will see you later. Bye! God, I can't believe I bought this.